Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation, and city creation basically we are discussing most dangerous topic that is India account. In this India account basically till now basically we discuss lots of things basically. Till now basically we discuss SBI groups, Amazon groups basically, then basically the uh, each and every business group basically are telling that basically like this the world is running basically. Amazon is telling that entire world is running on the basis of commission basically, and he is telling that basically in the form of his business basically what he is doing basically. And third topic basically currently we are doing, that is earthquakes. If world exists, then Amazon exists, then SBI group exists. So that topic actually the most dangerous topic basically we are discussing, that is earthquake is going to come after 2 days in India basically. That topic actually it is on. The subject is like this. After 2 days, big earthquake is going to happen in India. Happened nahi. It's going to happen. But really it's not going to happen. Just topic is like that basically. Otherwise basically lots of people says that ये तो the picture में तो ये सब दिखाया basically. So that basically really that happens basically. That is going to happen basically. No, it's not like look, it's not basically. So that is it's connecting to same way here also basically. After 2 days, the big earthquake is going to come in India. So that topic is actually ongoing. So movie group basically can understand this topic basically. What actually I want to say basically. So here now in this earthquake basically one more dangerous topic basically that we are discussing. Related to railway station basically. Railway station means railway tracks. One person told that yeah, Indian railway basically education is how basically. They told that because you basically discussed that basically MBA is there basically. MBA is created from 1,000 cities. MBA is created from 1,000 cities. Then all groups told that basically yes basically that we know this because we are watching this video basically. So we know that basically MBA education idea basically are created from 1,000 cities basically. That we know basically because we are watching Sunil's video basically. So we know basically that. Now basically the topic is Indian railway system basically. To work in Indian railway system basically you have to do the study basically. You have to clear all the exams. So assume that basically in the Indian railway system basically there are around 35 books. Assume basically that. So for 35 books basically they might have created some physical education, physical areas basically. Because it's a government sector books basically. So the data will be some special basically. MBA is a private area basically. So they have created 1,000 cities basically. But this is a government degree. So how the government structure would be? That is basically very dangerous question basically. How they might have created this stuff basically. It's a government basically. Because they think up to very dangerous level basically. So they told that basically, few people told that basically, they takes data from the nature basically. So here basically lots of possibilities are basically there. Because you can't say that 100% from here their data basically are taken basically. Because when the world basically was just created, when the education sector basically was just on created, that time basically nobody knows that basically there was something like ideas. But nowadays basically the education has converted into business basically. Business means 1,000 city equal to MBA. That 1,000 city just now basically the businessman has created on the way of profit basically. Because they want to take everything basically into business basically. Business. They want to capture everything basically. They don't want to leave a single control basically to the nature basically. They want entire control. So here one person told that Indian Railway Department basically how they might be handling everything. So one person told that it might possible that the ideas which are basically because previously Indian railway education also was there. MBA basically also was there, but sorry, the business management was there basically, but it was not connecting to the any thousand cities. It was not connecting to the thousand cities. So here one person told that it might possible that railway might be taking the data from sea waters, or basically it might possible the data might be taking from the mountains. That basically are the Mount Everest and Himalaya, because there from there also you can get the education's data basically. You will not believe it basically. In this basically Indian Railway, the study basically contains the diagram also. So that diagram idea basically are taken from where basically? When you draw diagram basically 100 times, then only basically you remember na basically. That data basically coming from to your mind basically coming to your mind from where basically? What diagram basically thousand city basically has created? Any city has created? Might be created. That are basically the private degrees basically. They have created it basically. How your brain exactly know that basically this diagram I have drawn basically. So that is basically the nature items basically. So in this world basically how many nature items are there? One is mountain, second is sea water. That's all basically. And third is land basically. And few people says that sun waves that are also taken as a data basically. And all season data basically. So you can just imagine basically, because they say that the nature will never end basically. Government believes that nature basically never going to end. Mount Everest is never going to end. After world end also basically the Mount Everest will be there. After world end the mountain of Himalaya also will be there. World end also basically after world end also the sea water will be there. So they are thinking up to this level basically. Even the big level of earthquake basically is going to come in India. Then also Himalaya mountain will be there. The Mount Everest will be there. The sea water will be there. The all the season will be there basically. So you can just imagine basically up to what level the creation is basically. And this everything is done basically. So one of the person told that the thousand city which is created of the MBA basically, that data basically they have taken from where basically? From mountain they have taken, or basically from sea water energy basically they have taken, or basically from the season data they have taken, or basically from the land data. And land basically, then which land data basically they have taken? That's very dangerous question basically Sunil Arna basically asked. Because MBA groups has created their thousand cities, they have taken data from these all areas only basically. But here the question is, from which area, how many percentage data basically they have taken basically. That is the question basically. That is the question basically. And here the question is, if they have taken the data of sea water that is basically 55%, then why they have taken 55%? Here basically the education error comes into the picture basically. Creation of MBA, because they have created it basically. Government, that is as SBI group has created basically. How they got this percentage basically? That from 55% basically in sea water basis, from the sea water basically we have taken the 55% data basically. Who told them basically to take 55% data from sea water basically? Because in education also, education energy also lots of error basically are there, and from education only so 35% earthquake basically which is coming, that is on the base of education basically. So here the question is basically, who told MBA groups to take 35 percentage of 55 percentage of data from seawater basically? Because like this only basically the MBA education basically, that is the MBA ideas are created. So we will not believe it basically. So entire education which is created and which has converted into business basically nowadays, how many percentage basically data are taken on the base of what basically? That is the very dangerous question I am telling you. After this, lots of people says that basically, Sunil, now basically the earthquake going to come basically, just now basically, earthquake will come basically. Then basically one of the satellite person told that we basically don't understand education, Sunil. We don't know what is education basically. But they say that basically we know Earthved, that ways, Ayurved, the Atharved, that is the Vedas basically, that is called as a. And on the base of Vedas and on the base of symbolic book basically, all the education sector has created, all the education energies basically are created basically. But now basically the world has basically different changed into different way basically. One person told that one person told that 55% data basically we have taken from seawater. Seawater. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that the entire education is created like this. That means is there any some problem basically? Because it's a huge thing basically which because one of the person told that it's very dangerous issue basically. I am telling you, education energy basically will end the universe also basically. I am telling you basically, the if anybody of the universe group basically are listening this, that is the satellite group basically, they should listen basically this video, and they have to basically enter into the education side basically. They have to check basically each and every education data basically. I will take one example basically. Assume that basically one land is there basically in Vadodara city. In Vadodara land, one area of 1 kilometer land basically. From there basically tomato data basically are getting produced from that land. They have produced basically more than 100 times tomato. And when they checked the tomato basically, that time basically tomato basically was producing nowadays a cancer data. That land basically was producing cancer data. So one of the person told that when we are using the mountains data 100 times, 200 times, 300 times, 400 times, this is government error basically. I am telling you basically 500 times, 600 times, 700 times, 800 times. So private versus government basically. Few people basically created private also basically. And few people are telling that on the basis of government only the private group are basically working. So government are doing error basically. The private are also basically doing error. That is SBI group basically. Here basically we are not discussing error basically. So one of the person told, instead of basically the satellite group will know this everything basically, Satrasat basically we will solve the error here basically. Otherwise when they will know that basically like this basically the creation has done basically, they will finish the entire education area. That is 1,000 cities equal to MBA, 1,000 cities equal to MCA. 1000 cities equal to IIM basically. 1000 cities equal to IITs. They are going to create, they are going to finish basically. If they will know this everything. So one person told that Indian Railway are using, they basically assume that basically they use 500 times, 600 times, 7 times, 800 times the sea water data basically. So anything is going to affect basically in human bodies, or basically anything going to affect into the environment basically, or anything is going to affect to the land basically. That is very dangerous thing basically. And here the main thing is the entire human bodies basically energies are taken by the satellite groups also basically. They have also basically ignored it, or basically what, or they basically trusted Earth planet basically. That we can't say anything basically. That is basically very big issue basically. Education has converted into big issue, and nowadays basically the businessman business. So one of the person told that basically this error basically government knows that basically. Government basically know this everything error basically. So is it that like that basically it has converted into business basically, so that basically they thought that basically in the name of business basically somebody will try to save the education error. The government are very dangerous basically, they think up to very dangerous level basically, because they know that basically there is a error, because we are taking 700 time, 800 time mountain data, 800 time fire sea water data, like this basically we are taking the data, but that is creating into error basically, and it has converted into some big error basically, because they might have tracked basically some government group, that is the nuclear power company group basically, has tracked that if you are taking mountain data this many times it is going to generate some error basically. So you can just imagine basically government knows that education error is there basically. So that's why they told that basically private group don't know that basically how the government thinking is basically in behind this business basically, that is the education business basically, which private group has started, that is the who started basically, that I'm not supposed to tell basically, but the everything is already started basically. So the government is basically not doing bad thing basically, they basically can't tell directly the error na basically, otherwise nobody will do the business. So that is also one thing basically, but government will always help basically, why? Because they know that basically so through business also basically they are trying to solve the problem basically. That is the main thing basically, through business also basically they are trying to solve the problem. So one of the person told that, so one of the person told that some group basically might be connected with the satellite group basically, right? The government satellites are also there basically, government satellites are also there, but that is basically also no government na basically, that is also government basically. Here basically it's a government groups, and government groups are in the satellite basically. Upper than government basically nobody is there basically to ask them basically, because nobody one person told that basically government के ऊपर तो कौन है यार, nobody is there. Few people tell that basically the Supreme Court is there basically, but they are also they are also connected with few set of political parties only basically, they are also connected with few political parties, they are going to take decision according to that them according to that group's decision only. That is also one question basically, yeah, basically. So one of the person told that mostly basically satellite group basically might not be knowing about this everything basically, but they will know one day basically that like this basically the things are there. So this connects to Indian Railway Department. Here basically I have taken the example of Indian Railway. Like this in government sector, many sectors basically are there for study basically, studying purpose. I am telling. Government degrees, IAS degree, the government degrees basically. There also books are there. They basically never creates the private areas basically. That is the thousand cities. They are taking directly data from the natural item basically. That is the mountains are there, sea waters are there, and nowadays the war is going in the sea water basically. Now basically what are the things going to happen? That is also a question basically. Few people say that basically governments people are only doing that basically because they want to hide the error basically. So they will one day say that basically the people basically who are fighting them basically they have done the error basically because there is no backup data of before war basically. But war has already started. So in future basically anybody ask that this error basically came from where, so they will directly tell that sea water basically was there and currently basically war is ongoing, they are responsible. So you can just imagine how the world basically has reached. Everybody is blaming themselves, others basically. So in future basically if satellite group tracks anything, because nowadays satellite groups also tracking lots of things basically, because sometime basically the railway track basically gets down, lots of train gets falls, how basically that is happening basically. Even basically the railway system is very powerful basically, then also basically it's happening now basically. That basically are error basically, which is tracked by the satellite groups basically. Assume that basically sometimes some group basically from satellite asked the governments basically that why basically this type of error basically is coming basically. Yeah? Then they will say that basically in sea water no, war is ongoing basically. And satellite groups basically will collect the current data only basically. And current data is the war data basically. They will say that basically currently it's war ongoing. So we basically can't give the current data basically of the sea water. So government are ready up to what level see basically to ignore the answer basically. They have to give the answer basically. Like this basically governments are basically ignoring the answer. So that ignoring the questions basically, so that the answer is not supposed to give. Then basically what are this private group basically? They have created from governments only basically. So that is also one question basically. So you can just imagine basically. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that if you try to track the study material of the government degree basically, government's degree, you will never able to find the places basically. That is the 1000 city equal to MBA degree. MBA is private degree basically. Indian government basically are Indian government's degree basically are government's degree basically, and there basically there is no physical place for the ideas basically. Ideas here basically I have taken the name as an idea basically. For example, MBA books basically you are reading the data basically which is coming in front of your brain basically. That is, for example, you are reading the one MBA book that is going to generate some blood cells in your body na basically. So that blood cells basically generating from which energy basically, that is from the 1000 cities basically data. I will take one more example. One person told that I basically enrolled basically MBA in this year, and address basically is given as a my room address basically. So whenever that person basically is going to read the MBA book, that time basically he's outside basically. For example, Microsoft basically, so it's a huge business basically, I'm telling you basically. Microsoft basically is doing the big level of business basically. You will not believe it basically. Microsoft basically is handling 1,000 cities, right? Basically, in that 1,000 cities, basically he's giving the MBA data also basically. So he's basically doing the tie-up with the MBA groups basically. That is the colleges group basically. So he's taking money from that basically group. So by handling this 1,000 buildings basically, he basically earned how many money basically? Just imagine basically. So energy level business is a huge business basically. Lots of people say energy में तो क्या है यार, ये लोग क्या business करते हैं? The ONGC group basically might be doing which type of business? The IOC, Reliance, then IPCL, this all group basically might be doing which type of business basically? So they are doing this all business basically. But that are the private groups basically. MBA is a private degree. Here basically we are talking about the government's degree. So the government group says that basically we are taking data from mountains, sea waters, and the lands and the seasons basically. That is basically the nature basically. So if anybody is asking governments question, they basically have the answer. That is what? We are taking data from the mountains basically. We are taking data from the sea water basically. And sea basically, what is the data of sea which is generating? That power company have that basically. Because previously there was no like business basically in education sector basically. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that anybody can track basically this earthquake basically which is ongoing, which has just now came basically, as in that basically some big earthquake basically just now came, that connects to education, but it connects to private sector or business, government sector education, due to private sector education data or basically the government sector education data, the earthquake has came. So is it possible if France group basically have this type of data basically? They might not be having the data basically. Why? Because they only have the private data. And they are telling that basically to handle the natural data basically it's very dangerous. It will finish the entire France basically, I am telling you. Entire France will get, and within a second basically. I am telling you basically. If you are doing that, there also basically the business of the earthquake. But France is France basically. They always take a risk. But risk will end entire France also. So it will be told as once upon a time there was one country basically, that was France. And this is possible basically. Mark my words basically. So before entering into this, very very carefully basically you have to enter. But you have to enter basically. Slowly basically you have to enter. That is basically 100%. Because earthquake basically came from private degree or government degree data. Because you are taking the money now basically. From the set of countries basically, you are taking the money, you have to give the answer na basically. India will ask the question basically, "Arey bhai, just now basically the earthquake came na basically." Yes, that we know that basically. We are watching the videos of Sunil Arnair. He told that basically it has came from education. But in education basically we are not able to decode it basically whether it has came from the private education or basically the government education certificates. So France don't have any answer basically, and they have taken the money also. So now basically what they are going to do? They will give the private degree data. That MBA degree basically created from these 1,000 cities, and these 1,000 cities basically, this is the data basically due to that the earthquake basically came. There basically few buildings basically were damaged. Due to that damage, basically the energy was not producing power, not producing perfect data. There basically lots of natural item basically was also damaged, and lots of thing basically was done. This, that, each and everything basically they will give in the description. But what about the government data basically? In sea area, from which sea area basically the for example, in the Indian Railway basically 35 books are there, and they told that and the 35 books basically the 35 books basically data are coming from the Arabic Sea water basically. Arabic Sea water basically. There is one area basically in Arab Sagar. Arab Sagar basically you can say. From there basically the Indian railway data are coming. That's sea water basically. Sea water means entire land basically of the sea water. But they can't track the everything basically. Sea, to track the sea energy basically it's very dangerous basically. So you can just imagine basically how dangerous it is. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically it's very dangerous. It's not dangerous basically. It's very, very, very dangerous. To track the nature item basically it's very dangerous. So directly basically nobody tracks that data. They tracks indirect data. That is basically the MBA equal to 1000 cities. MBA is also basically taking data from there only basically, but they are not taking directly. They are taking indirect. Direct taking data basically it's very dangerous. Direct taking data it's very dangerous. So nowadays the world has created up to this level. So assume that basically earthquake basically just now came in India, and the reason was education basically. Education energies. In this education basically there are 1 lakh certificates basically, and for 1 lakh certificates basically 1 crore area basically are created in India, and suddenly basically came earthquake. Suddenly basically the earthquake came. In this basically 1 lakh certificates, few certificates was basically of Gujarat, of government basically sector. So France group basically, or France group, or basically any group basically who are giving the earthquake data, they basically given the data but of the private certificate only basically. They were not able to give the data of government certifications. So that data basically they told that basically we are going to give you later on basically. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about the earthquakes, because if world exists then basically everything exists. If world will not exist then anything is going to exist? No. So world exists, everything exists. World exists, America exists. World exists, UK exists. World exists, India exists. Education exists. IIT exists. IIM exists. Government exists. Hospitals exist. Hotels exist. Restaurant exists. If world is existing. Software company exist. Parks of the IT park exist. Software company park exist. Why? When the world will exist. So in detail basically we are going to see the earthquake topic basically. That is basically the after 2 days basically 100% the earthquake is going to come. Mark my word basically. Here just I am telling basically really basically don't sense that basically the earthquake has came here basically. And few people told that basically we are not able to give the government degree data basically. So one of the person told that earthquakes are connecting up to this level where basically we basically are not able to track it basically. earthquake data basically, if you are able to track, lots of problem basically will solve basically. That is stable data or unstable data. And this is the biggest business of the, for example, Microsoft is telling that basically I am controlling these 1,000 buildings. Near around 1,000 buildings, he basically kept 1,000 types of energies basically. One of the energies MBA energy. So he might be taking some money from the education sector, na, basically. That is the MBA college basically. He basically might not be doing some charitable trust basically. So he might be having the data science project basically for that 1,000 buildings basically. That he basically has kept this data here, this data here, that data here, this data here. Whenever the people basically are reading this, that, each and everything, then the data basically connects. Power company gets connects, nuclear power company gets connects, satellite get connects. Data is producing. So you can just imagine basically what are up to what level things are going to connect now. Because here we are discussing the earthquake topic. Earthquake topic basically we are discussing. So in next video basically we are going to see the earthquake chain basically, that is cities to cities earthquake happening, then basically it has connected to states, then basically it connected to countries. How this basically chain gets generates na? And how basically this is connecting, that topic basically we are going to see. And most of basically thing we have discussed, then also little bit more basically about the chain of the earthquakes, that is cities to cities, states to states, and countries to countries in next video.